Reed Manufacturing presents One Tough Tool. Looking for a tool that's efficient and satisfying to use? Look no further. Reed's 24WG 2-inch pipe cutter is the best way to get a perfect cut each and every time. The exclusive spring tension guide bars help to square the cutter onto the pipe during the cutting process. Since there are 4 cutting wheels, full rotation around the pipe is not necessary. Not to mention, the guides also remove pesky scale and grit. The cutting wheels provide easy handling, yield very fast work, and are made of high-quality steel, leaving behind no burr, which is great for threading jobs. The provided cutting wheels work perfectly for steel, stainless steel, or galvanized. But additional cutter wheels can be added for heavy-duty work or to even cut ductile or cast iron pipe. Fast, easy, and efficient cuts every time are proof why the Reed 24WG 2-inch pipe cutter is one tough tool. Head to reedmfgco.com and secure yours today.